All natural ways to clean stainless steel. Stainless steel is well known for its resistance to rust and corrosion, which makes it a popular option in bathrooms and kitchens. If you have stainless steel appliances, you're undoubtedly aware that they're seldom stainless. Dishwashers, refrigerators, and ovens have a tendency to collect fingerprints and water stains. Harsh chemical cleaning treatments, which typically come with high price tags, claim to restore them to their former showroom luster, but they frequently fall short. The reality is that cleaning stainless steel appliances is simple, and you don't need any of those high-priced solutions. Here are the top 5 natural ways to clean your stainless steel. 1. Dish soap and mineral oil. Dish soap works wonders when it comes to removing dirt off stainless steel. It removes residual oils and makes the polishing process easier. Put a small quantity on your cloth, dampen with a small amount of water, and then wipe with the grain. When you've finished cleaning an area, use a clean towel to wipe away any watermarks. Finally, dab a small amount of mineral oil onto your second cloth and follow the grain to polish. 2. White vinegar and olive oil. Using a spray bottle, apply white vinegar directly to the stainless steel surface and then wipe clean in the direction of the grain. Then, using olive oil on a clean cloth, polish the freshly cleaned surface also in the direction of the grain. Make sure to wipe away any remaining olive oil residue. This procedure works wonderfully because the vinegar removes all of the dirt while the olive oil polishes it to a new, lustrous sheen. 3. Club soda. Club soda should be sprayed directly over appliances and then wiped in the direction of the grain. This will not only remove fingerprints and food residue from the surface, but it will also give it a wonderful sheen. Then, use a microfiber towel to wipe the surface clean. 4. Flour. Obviously, you should save this cleaning trick for the sink or possibly your pots and pans to avoid making a mess. The first step is to thoroughly clean the sink or pans to remove any caked-on dirt, oil, or grime. After they are dry, use as much flour as necessary to coat the surface. Then, using a soft cloth, rub the sink or pan in a circular motion until it shines like new. 5. Water and microfiber cloth. You'd be amazed how much cleaning you can get done with only warm water and a lint-free towel. Cleaning stainless steel this way is the safest alternative. To avoid marks, dry with a towel or cloth to keep water minerals from accumulating on the surface. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.